Yo, what's up everyone? How's everybody doing? Finally got ignition coil pack for the Type R. Brand new from Evasive. This is the brand. Supposedly this will add more spark, better amperage than the factory. So it basically has a better spark on higher RPM and with higher amplifier built into it, supposedly. So this is actually more combustive than the factory one. So if you want more information, you can go to their website. Ooh. Comes in its own foam. It's just a coil pack, so by any means these are not cheap, but it's probably cheaper than the factory. Yeah. Build quality, it's pretty good. Feels heavy. Let's put it on. It's just basically just like putting a brand new coil pack to your Civic Type R. Let's take all this out. Get your 10 mil. So just unclip it from here, a little clip right over here. That, put it on the side. That's how easy it is to remove your coil packs, and just do it one by one. There it is. Comparison between the two. Let's check it out. It's very identical, exception of this little, actually they look the same. Right, Eli?
Yes, could you press it on one too?
Alright, let's put it on. So there you go. So just the reverse process, put everything back, clip everything back in, and that's it. That's how it looks like. All right, everyone. So this is one of the last hurrah, the Blitz strut bar. All right, let's open it up. Oh, one more bag. One more bag. Get a scissor this time. All right, guys. So removing this old Cusco bar. Aesthetically, I think the Blitz is gonna be better. The design is different. Get rid of that chrome look. It's gonna be black, and for sure, aesthetically, it's gonna look nice. Only thing I don't like about this Cusco bar is that it just looks like an eBay bar, where that blue and chrome look to it. So here it is, new strut bar from Blitz. Let's see what's in here. There's a second box. Oh, it's a plate. Comes with a red plate and a black bar, so it'll match it better. Red and black kind of goes with the theme. It's almost the same color, but it's not. This is actually a little bit darker, but that will do. Let's put it on. remove that old one. Actually, this Blitz is a little bit cheaper than that one, than the Cusco one. Oh, there it is. Oh man, it's wrapped too. It has hold on a second, let me open it up. So this Blitz, it has a specific texture to it. So it's like a wrinkled texture. As you can see, it's really nice. Actually, this one has a nice shiny paint on it, or looks like a carbon. I mean, not powder coated. It has a shiny powder coated. It's actually really nice. It's on, you know, it comes with that little plastic protector. So I put one over here, I'm assuming, because it's right on the bar. And then one right over here as well. It's right on the bar. So just those two. Anyway, hopefully I put it in. It's all in Japanese, the instruction. So I guess that's it. All right, everyone. So I guess that's it. It only takes 2 minutes to install. I must say, aesthetically, it looks better, but it flexes a little bit. As you can see, it kind of flexes a little bit. That's it. That's that engine bay for the Civic Type R. Until next time, please sub if you can. As always, if you haven't done so, just thumbs up, and see you on my next video. God bless everyone. Take care. Be safe out there. Bye. God bless.